Let's learn some colors. Lavender color, soft pink color, yellow color, orange color, green color, red color, sky blue color. Let's learn to draw some shapes. Kite, circle, heart, hexagon, nonagon, trefoil, sky blue color, yellow color, red color, orange color, teal color,
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
green color,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
circle,
Q,
heart,
R, S, T,
hexagon,
U, V,
nonagon,
W, X,
trefoil.
Y, and Z.
Please
Now I
like,
know
share,
my
and subscribe.